guys, welcome to Old SmokinSteve. Today we're going to be doing a review on a replacement top damper here for the Big Green Egg. Here a while back I reached out to a company called SmokeWare and told them I liked their product and would like to do a review on it. So they sent me one, and we're going to get the review underway here in a minute, and you guys can look at it and compare the two. Apples, oranges, whatever, and see what you like. I'm going to have a link at the end of the video under the comment section, and where you can order one, and also they gave me a promo code where you can put a promo code in there and save you 15%. So at checkout you would put SmokinSteve in there as your promo code and get you 15% off. So that's quite a deal. So let's get started with the review. Okay guys, let me show you what she looks like. Here it is. Pretty nice, huh? This is a rain cap. Here's the company name, SmokeWare. This comes apart here. It's two pieces. This piece here, as you can see, it has slots in it, and that would be your damper, and that rotates inside this collar. And this top piece also serves as a rain gauge, and it is made out of stainless steel, so it's not going to rust, and it's going to keep the rain out. Okay, so that just goes in there, and you got a little tab right here to rotate the damper. As you can see, how that damper operates. Okay, here's what she looks like next to the original. So I'm going to take the old one off and put this new one on and show you what it looks like. Now they sent a gasket that you want to put around here. Mine already had the gasket on there, so I'm just going to slip this over the top. So there she is. So let's go ahead and get a little closer look. I'm thinking it looks pretty good on there. As you can see, that top sets on there. Down here's the damper tab, and you just slide that. Over here's the opening. Slide that, and it opens up, or you can close her back down. And shut her all the way down. So yeah, it looks like you have a full range there, full open, fully closed, and plus you can take the top off like so, and get your fire started, and just simply put that back in place, and you have full damper control. Looks pretty sweet to me. And guys, another good thing about it is it's not going to open or close on you when you open the lid. So that's a big plus. That's not going to move. That's not going to move at all. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. You make your own decisions and draw your own opinions. But I think I'm really going to like it. So also I got another thing here that they sent me. It's a 3-in-1 ash tool. I'm going to be doing a review on that as well. So guys, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking and smoking videos a lot of recipes and some product reviews. So be sure to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.